Bharatrachna Training Center. This is situated in the Ghoshi bypass, which is in Madhuban Mou, and this is the infrastructure of Bharatrachna Training Center, where you can learn lots of things related to your educations and development. The academic courses are always available here, and technical and non-technical courses is also there. The infrastructures commence with all the newly infrastructure program which is held here, and lots of trainers are educated by themselves and they came here for the studies purpose. Most of the students are making career and they are learning new things like computer courses. They can go for English communications, and most of the courses are related with the job and their government sectors. We have the facilities of hostels also. We have a library which is containing more than 3 lakhs books, which is e-library concept. We have ample space of parking for the students. You can see the beautiful garden over here and beautiful surrounding areas. You will learn while you come here. You can get a lots of good nature wise educations, which is more than hundreds of subjects. And those who have already completed their BTech, engineering, polytechnic, anything, they can come here for any kind of jobs, placements, related queries. Most of the students you have seen in these videos. So most of the students are came for the UP board and CBSE pattern for their training and education purpose. They can learn new skills and development. The infrastructure is very huge and students can play over here also. We have a facilities of basic dance. We have a facility of music. Anybody can sing a song and they can make a good lifestyle and learn most of the things related to the career and development. The infrastructures commence with most of the things like air conditioned system is available for their classroom programs. Most of the peoples are getting their good challenging work environments, which is going to be best for the new environment for their companies and for their any kind of industrial sectors. So they can come technical and non-technical educations. They can learn most of the things which is starts with the class 8th to 12th. After 12th they can go for the graduation in the college, and they can side by side they can learn most of the things which is completed at a one center. This is the only one center of Bharatrachna where you can learn thousands of things in a one under one roof. So come and join quickly and enroll yourself today. And this is the common facilities which is available for this center, and students can get lots of benefits. Thank you for watching this video. This is most of the students can learn from there. You can see the upper view of the center. So come and join today. Thank you very much.